Hello friends. So in this lecture what I am about to tell you is why the number 10 is written as 10. So the question is that the number 10, I write a number for symbol of 1 and then symbol of 0. Why not say 2 3? Why not 2 3? Why not 2 3? Why not 3 1? Why not 7 8? Whatever, 7 8 means. Why? What's so special about this combination of digits which is so important for number 10? Okay, so we'll have some understanding, and in this process what will end up is appreciate the beauty of this Indian numeral system. The Westerns, they call it Arabic numerals because the Westerns, the Europeans, they learned this number system, the ones we developed, from Arabs, and they think that Arabs did it, historically speaking. But we'll stick to the terminology of Indian numeral system, and we will really appreciate the person who decided to organize numbers in this way. We will appreciate that beauty anyway. So what happens when we count is like, say suppose we count 1, so we have to write the number 1 with some symbol, so we decided to write this symbol which is called 1 for 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so these are the symbols for each number. We just decided these symbols. They all definitely have some historical background, but in the end they are symbols. They are symbols which represent some number. Okay, so either I can have infinitely many symbols for infinitely many numbers, or I can have just finitely many symbols and use those only finitely many symbols to write any number. So that's the beauty of Indian numeral system, that we only need finitely many symbols to represent any number, and it is so organized, you are about to see why. Okay, so let's see that I have only given 9 symbols, let us say, an additional 1 symbol for the number 0. But okay, for those counting numbers I have only 9, and 0 is the non-existent count anyway. So let's say that I start counting and I say that I count 1, I count 2, I count 3, I count 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and no, what to do now? I don't know what to do because I have run out of digits. I have been given only 9 digits to count, 9 symbols to count, and with only these 9 symbols I cannot count beyond the number 9. So what to do? So some Indian guy must have thought that, okay, I have run out of digits, so let's keep a tally of how many times I have run out of digits. So he writes 1. This is how many times I ran out of digits. Then the number 0. So it means that this is this many number of times, which is one number of times I have run out of digit, and 0 because it to differentiate between 1 and 10 I just write this 0, so that it means that I have run out of digit 1. So ran out of symbols once. Okay, so this is the reason I write 1 0. So after proceeding, so I write, like say I ran out of symbols once, so I write 1. Then there is one more thing to count. Suppose I am given 11 things to count, so I'll write, say, okay, so until 10 I ran out of digits. Okay, fine. Then after that I ran out of digits, or I ran out of symbols once. Then there is one more thing to count, therefore I am writing 1. Okay, suppose I am given 15 things to count, so what I'll write, okay, I ran out of symbol once, I ran out of all the symbols I was given once, and there after that there are 5 more things to count, therefore it becomes, I write the symbol for 5. So this is how my 15 looks like, and so on and so forth. Suppose I am running out of symbols once more, so I have to write the number which is the symbol for 2. So I write the symbol for 2, so I have run out of symbols twice, and in symbol for 0. Okay, so this means that ran out of symbols twice. Okay, with this, so with the same logic I get 30, 40, 50. Suppose their number is 67, it means what? This number represents ran out of symbols 6 times, and 7 more items to count beyond that. Okay, so this is how we keep tally of numbers using only finitely many symbols. Okay, so I understand that it takes a little effort to appreciate, but I think that you should be appreciating that how organized the numbers are kept, like just keeping a tally of how many times I ran out of symbols and then how many more to count, therefore this is the second digit. Similarly, if I have, say, I ran out of symbols 10 times, so I'll write 10 and 0, so it becomes 100. Okay, so I ran out of symbols 10 times, therefore this is ran out of symbols 10 times. Okay, and let us have some practice, and let us try to develop our own numeral system. Suppose that I am given only 4 symbols now, and I need to keep a tally of the count using those 4 symbols. Suppose those 4 symbols are like this: a box, a star, a cross, and a asterisk. Suppose like this. So I give the symbol for 1 as box. This is symbol for 2 as number 2 as a asterisk, as a star. Symbol for number 3 I decide to give it to the cross, and this is symbol for number 4. Okay, and now suppose that I am given 9 objects. Let's not use that symbol. Let's say that I am given 9 objects to count. Let's say that there are 3, 1, 2, 3, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so I am only given these 4 symbols, and I have to use those symbols to keep a count of these many humans, these stick figures. Okay, so let's begin. So this is the first one, so I give, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Okay, I ran out of symbols. What to do now? Let us say that I am still having the symbol 0, 0 for symbol for 0. Okay, so I am having symbol for 0, the same thing, that's a circle. So now let's follow the same rule. I ran out of symbol once. I ran out of symbols. You see, I was given only these four. I ran out of symbols. So what I'll do is I'll draw the symbol for 1, which is the box. Symbol for 1, the box. And since I ran out of symbol once, so this is the number 0. Okay, so this means the fifth guy would be box and 0. Okay, after that I ran out of symbols once and there is one more to count, so box and a box, because ran out of symbols once and one more to count. Ran out of symbol once and there is one more to count, so box and a star, because I ran out of symbol once and this is a star because it's a symbol for 2. I ran out of symbol once and there is one more to count, that there are three to count, so ran out of symbol once and a cross because it is a symbol for 3. This is a symbol for 3. So I ran out of symbol once, so therefore a box, and there are 3 more to count, so a cross. Again, the next one, let's guess, it should be box and asterisk. Okay, so this is the symbol for number 9. Okay, how about there, let's say that there were 3 more. What about let's say that I have 3 more. So I assume that you must have got the catch of it. So I am again running out of symbols here, so I have to keep a tally that I have ran out of symbol twice, therefore I put the symbol for number 2 and a 0. Next one would be asterisk and a box, asterisk and a asterisk. So this is not asterisk, sorry, this is a star. Okay, so this is the reason why the number 10 is written as 1 and a 0. It is actually telling us that while counting in base 10, the person who was counting ran out of symbols once. That's why it is 1 0. I hope I made you appreciate how the Indian numeral system is so beautiful and so organized, and it made us life so easy. And you don't need to understand or study really deep concepts of mathematics to appreciate there are so many simple things you can just appreciate so much. I think that I find it really fascinating personally. I don't know, I hope you also do. And thanks for watching, and see you in GITAM someday.